Now we will open the new project. The template file is mechanical template project, then click on OK. We are waiting. OK. Now we will load the file. Before that, we will go to the floor plans and change the name of floor plans. Project browser, floor plans, from mech to make it's a mechanical, make level 1, and the second floor to make level 2. Then go to the answer to upload the file. So you can see here there's two options, import CAD here, and if you go to there you can see link CAD. The difference between these two, if you click on link CAD, it's actually going to remember the link on your computer. So if any additional change in the future in AutoCAD Revit file, it will automatically update in Revit. But also, if any mistakes or delete the file CAD, it will just disappear. So that's something you don't want to happen. And if you choose the import CAD, it will just upload the CAD file and will stay forever. So let's click on import CAD. You can see here we have the saved file. I uploaded the AutoCAD file and the video number 6, the first part of importing the CAD file. Okay, so we have two floors. The floor level 1, I will click on it, then I will go to here. I can see there's several options. Reverse, I don't want to use all the colors on Revit. I will choose black and white. Layers and levels, I will choose all. Units, I should check on the file CAD to decide if the drawings were in feet or inch, meter, decimeter. So I need to go back and measure any wall or anything to decide our drawing in inch or meter or decimeter, etc. Our drawing, the file I uploaded before, in millimeter, so I will choose in millimeter. Positioning origin to origin, that's because after I import the level 1, I will go to import level 2 above the level 1. So I needed origin to origin. Placing at or place at level 1. It's a mechanical level 1. Then open. Okay, we can see here the first floor, and then I will click on mechanical level 2, and also the same steps. Go to insert, import CAD, select another file level 2, and make sure all the settings are the same. Place at level 2, then click on open. So now we have two drawings. We will go now to check the two drawings are in different level by going to the 3D, and yeah, they are in two different levels. So let's go to mechanical level 1, then mechanical level 2. I need to know if they are in same origin. So the view, I need to change the view here in level 2. I will go to the properties, then I will looking for view range. Here is view range. I will go to view depth, level. I will click on unlimited, then apply, then OK. So now I can see the depth of the drawings. We have here the level 1 and here the level 2. I need to put the two levels are in same origin. So what I should to do, let's click on level 1. I cannot move it, that's because there's a pen here. I will click on the pen here. So I unlocked the figure, the drawing, then I can move it and put it anywhere I want. But to decide I put it in the right place, I will go to the online and I will take this wall as a reference, then this wall as also reference. Now my drawing in the right positioning. Thank you for watching the video how to upload the AutoCAD file. Any question, please